Hey guys, Maria here from Living in a Bubble. Today I'm going to show you guys our new range of wall storage, and I also want to run through the installation with you. So first we have three different models. This one has two pockets. You can also see here that there is a little support at the bottom that you gotta push it down. So this model comes with two open pockets and also two hooks at the bottom. All the installation is done via a very high quality Velcro. I'm here just to show you the other models that we have as well. So this is the horizontal model. It comes with one open pocket and one magnetic toiletry bag, which can be removed and put it back, and two hooks here at the bottom. And there's also one more vertical model, which has one open pocket at the top and the magnetic toiletry bag at the bottom with two hooks here. So now when it comes to installation, this is a very easy installation. Why we developed this way is we are not very fans of tools. So what we want to give you guys with this product is a very easy way to install. Does not matter if you are good with tools or not. And this is a very high quality Velcro. The only thing is, even if the installation is done by Velcro, that doesn't mean that this product is to be removed. This product is to stay in place. So basically what you do, you're gonna find the surface or the wall that you wanna install. This will work in Gyprock walls, wooden walls, glass, and metal. So basically it comes this way. We'll start peeling off Velcro. And then you line up with the surface where you wanna install. In my case, I want to have that close to the door here, and basically you will just push it against the wall. As I said, these Velcros are pretty strong, so it will stay in place and can hold a fair amount of weight. So once you have that installed, you give some time, just get something to rub on top on the areas where the Velcros are. And then the best way is just go slow and you start to peel off the wall storage. So just push it to be very firm in the wall, but try to get the storage out. And why we're doing that? Because then we have a better surface to make sure that the Velcro is lined up. So now I can make sure that there are no bumps, nothing is peeling off, and everything is in the right spot. So this is the frame, and it copies exactly the same frame as we have here at the back. Once you make sure that is in the correct spot, so then you can simply just come here and put the wall storage. Yep. That's it. Now, in terms of weight, as I said, it holds a good amount of weight. There is a support on the bottom. You put your hand inside and you feel it. This bottom support will actually help the pockets to stay in place. Now I will show you what you can put it inside. As I said, these pockets, they have a decent size, so you can actually fit a lot of things. And then you have the cord locks here to lock everything when you're driving. This way, reduce the rattling. Dog stuff at the top, tap, and then just use the cord lock. And for those two pockets, it fits mobile phones perfectly. So you can just add your phone here. And again, just showing you the other models that we have in this range. So we have the horizontal model here with one open pocket and a toiletry bag. And here there's another open pocket with a toiletry bag, but on the vertical option. That's all.